Next, you want to click on the Next button here where we'll be importing our winning products. So we'll need to follow the steps to activate, so simply click on Activate Zendrop below and follow the steps to complete the setup. So click here. And then from here, just wait for it to load and we should now be in here into the Zendrop page wherein we can now install this into our store. So click on Install button, and from here we would need to wait for this to load again. And then we would have the Install button once again right here, so click on it and then it will now be installed into our Shopify store because Storebuild AI uses Zendrop in importing our winning products. So make sure that you click on Approve right here. So now we have successfully installed this. Let's go back in here, and then as you can see right here, we now have the Next button available, so click on Next is Storebuild. And then now, here it is. So now we can build our store, so click on Next Go Live and our AI will work its magic to build your store. No designers or coders needed. Get everything you need for free in building your store. So click here on Next Go Live, and then, as you can see right here, it says, Action required. Approve subscription to continue. To keep building your store, please approve your Zendrop subscription in Shopify. We have already approved this. I'm going to click here on I have approved it. And from here, we will now be into the next step. Click here on Next Go Live. So in here, you would be able to see an offer to get deluxe theme of Storebuild AI for $97, and then you would get these premium features. But if you don't want this, then you just simply click here on Decline Offer, and then we can continue on our process and click here on Go Live again. And as you can see right here, all we have to do now is wait, because AI is now building our store, and this can take up to a minute. All right, our Shopify store design is complete now. As you can see, Storebuild AI has added the banners, products, and some text as well. Next, we only need to make some little adjustments like adding our own logo, changing some text contents, images, etc. Also, we will need to work on the product page as well. The current product page looks very basic, so we need to work on that. I have already created a detailed tutorial on Shopify product page customization, so make sure to follow that video and prepare a high-converting product page. The video link is given in the video description, and once you do that, you only need to publish your store. So click here on Access Shopify and Publish, and then you'll be prompted in here. And from here, what you need to do is click on Remove Password. And from here, you would now remove the limit to access to visitors with password. And then once you're done with that, you just simply want to make sure that it is saved. As you can see, it is now open to everyone, which means it's now saved. Now you want to click here on the Next Success button. So yeah, that's it. Congratulations on launching your brand new e-commerce store. We have now completed the process on creating our Shopify store with AI. Starting your dropshipping store has never been easier with Storebuild AI, so if you're ready to jumpstart your business, click the link in the description to get started. It's a simple, stress-free way to launch a professional Shopify store.